Tom Bizance, also known as Mr. Numbers on YouTube, has been called a math magician. He is the founder of Pattern Play Math, a unique, visual, fun, and whole-body way for preschoolers all the way up to 6th grade students to master basic math.
We're going to go into the 3s, the 6s, the 7s, the 9s, the 12s, and the 14s, all on TicTacToe squares, creating the times tables. So we're going to have fun today. All right. Now, and more people coming on.
And let's start with a short animated video I made for the 3s and 7s.
And the 6s and 9s will also show up. Let's make the 3s times tables in a magic way on TicTacToe Square. We're going to do the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. We're going to start in the bottom left corner and work our way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then put the 0 over on the right. These are the ones digits. And then we're putting zeros in front of the first row, and ones in front of the second row, and 2s in front of the third row. And then we'll bring a 3 down, and that's 10 times 3 is 30. Those are the 3s, and you can create the 3s on this app. Now learning the 7s are tough for a lot of kids, and we make those on another TicTacToe square. Again, we use the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And we start top right and work our way down and left. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then our 0 at the end. Now the pattern in front of the tenses is simple. It's same up, up, same up, up, same up, up, up. So we start with 0, and we go same, 0, up to 1, up to 2. Then we bring that same 2 down, and up to 3, and up to 4. We bring that same 4 down, and up to 5, up to 6, and then we go up to 7. And just like that, you are ready to create the 7. Have fun.
And now I'll show you the play sheets and the whys and hows to play with lots of times tables on TicTacToe squares.
So here's a couple TicTacToe squares. There's 2 lines over, 2 lines that way. And we've created actually 9 equal boxes. And that's the basic structure of a TicTacToe square. And we're looking at pattern play math. So this is a pattern, a great one. And of course, there's 10 digits and there's only 9 there. So we have another one over here, and that makes 10. So here's a TicTacToe square in a different way with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then that's 10. And then if we do a second TicTacToe square, then that's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And actually, if we do a third one, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So each one of the TicTacToe squares is 10. So 10, 20, and then 30. You can also look at the squares as this is times 1, times 2, times 3. We saw the 1s. Let's take a look at the 2s. So if you look at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 square, what you can really see is that if you do every other square, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, you're creating the even numbers. And that diamond pattern creates the 2s or the even numbers. That's simple. That's simple, but I want you to see it simple so that we get into bigger numbers. You can see that the same patterns apply. Now, we're going to look at the 3s. Now, if we take a look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you see where that's the 3s? 3, 6, 9. So if we actually turn this dial, this is just our phone dial, 1 to 10, and we turn it sideways. Oh, so here is that dial pad of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And for the 3s, we turn it sideways. And here is the worksheet. Then, so they're upright for you, which is easier for you to work with. So now we have 3, 6, 9, 2, 5, 8, 1, 4, 7, 0. And I've already put in the 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 to make it 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. You just created the 3's times table that quickly. Now, if we continue that on, then notice this is actually 0, 0, 0. Okay? Now, here's our next one. And again, we have, well, it's 3, 6, 9, 2, 5, 8, 1, 4, 7, 0. But it's also, the easy way to do it is start here. Notice the start there. And you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Because that's exactly what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. That's how that works. So you can write out those numbers too, and we'll do that in the next square. But let's just continue this. And notice up here, we've got the tens digits. These are all ones digits, by the way. All these are ones digits. And then we add the tens digits. And it's 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. So if we continue that pattern, because we're pattern play math, and we're playing with patterns, then we do 3, 3, 3. What do you think? Yep, 4, 4, 4. And what do you think? Yep, 5, 5, 5, and up to 6. And notice we've got 3 and 6 here. So it's just really going nicely. For numbers are patterns, and they will fit the pattern. Once you start the pattern and you figure the pattern out, you can go as high as you want, and we'll go higher than this to do it. So here we are, and we've actually created the 3's all the way to 60, just by doing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0s, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, and 6. And notice that if we pick every other one, so not 3 but 6, so we've got the 3's all the way to 60, and then we don't do the 9, we do the 12. In other words, every other square, not that one but this one. We have 6, 12, 18, not this one but this one. 24, not this one but this one. And 30. No. The same numbers, we're just highlighting those numbers in the diamond. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. And just like that, we've created the 3's and the 6's. Oh, so let's finish up the 6's here, because 30, not that one but this one. Every other one, right? Not that one but this one. 42, 36, 42, not that one but this one. Not that one but this one. Not that one but this one.
Let's go back to the magic blackboard so we can create the 3's, 6's, and 9's to 90.
Over. And we'll do it one more time so we can get in the 9's too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This time we'll do the 6's, 7's, and 8's in front as the tens digits. 6 in front of the 3, the 6, the 9. 7's in front of the 2, the 5, the 8. And 8's in front of the 1, the 4, and the 7. Then we take our third 3, which is 9, and down after the third square, add a 0 to it, and that is our 30th 3, which is 90. Now, when we stack them up here, you can take a look at them, and you can see the tens digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Real simple. Now, let's see where the 9's show up. In the right column of the first square are 9, 18, and 27. In the middle square are the middle column, 36, 45, 54. And in the left column of the third square, 63, 72, and 81. And those are our 9's in that simple pattern. Now, whenever you want, grab a pencil and make the 3's on tic-tac-toe squares down to 30, 60, 90, or more. Then you can find the 6's by circling the diamond pattern on the numbers on the right. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90. Real fast and easy. Then you can also circle the 9s, the right 3 on the top square, the middle 3 on the middle square, and the left 3 on the bottom square. And the 90 actually is also a 9.
Those are all our 6s. Now, if we take every other 6, that actually gives us 1, 6, 12. That there is our first 12. We're going to do the 12s right here, okay, which is every other 6. Okay, so if we do boom, boom, is every other 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, that works too. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 12, 24, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, or every other 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. There we have, at an angle, we have 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60. All at angles like that. Kind of fun to create. And we can continue on with those. Okay? So again, we're here, so we do 1, 2, 3, 4, then we're 72, and we're starting this pattern again. So it's just going to be an angle down, and then the same, and then angle, angle. Okay? So here we are, 72, 1, 2, 3, 4, or every other 6, and 12 times 7 is 84. And we can continue on. We've done the 3s, the 6s, done the 3s, each square, the 6s every other square, the 9s every third square, the 12s every fourth square. All kinds of different ways to do the 3s, the 6s, the 9s, and the 12s, and we actually did the 1s and 2s.
Now learning the 7s are tough for a lot of kids, and we make those on another tic-tac-toe square. Again, we use the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Now, with the 7s, then we do exactly the same pattern. Can you believe it? It's like magic. You do the same pattern but backwards. So rather than starting bottom left, going up for the 7s, you can see it's multiplication by 7s. We're going to go top right, start top right rather than bottom left, and then go down rather than up. Could that be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0 over there? That's always our last one is a 0. Now, our tens digits here went up. We got here, and then we got there, and then we got there, and there, and there. It went up on that first one. Now here, we're actually going to stay the same for the first one and do exactly the opposite, go up to second 2. So we start with 0 there because it's a 7. That's our first 7. And that's a single digit number, so it's just 0, 7 if you want to use the 0. And then the 0 goes up to 1 here. And then it goes up to this one. Now, you can also actually see that because the numbers are getting smaller, 7, 4, 1, all three are getting smaller. These two are getting smaller from this. So if the number is getting smaller and we're adding by 7s, then the tens digit has to go up. That's it. And then from 4 to 1, same thing. The tens digit has to go up to 2. Now, when we go from 1 to 8, oh, that's getting bigger, so we can just say the 2, and we can just put an arrow that way because it just stays the same as what was it before. Now, from 2, then it goes up and goes up. 3 and 4. Great. Now, again, we repeat the 4, and then the 5, and the 6, and the 7. That is, we have created the 7s times table. So 0, 1, 2, repeat the 2, 2, 3, 4, repeat the 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Real simple pattern, 2 simple patterns. The ones digits are top right going down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the tens digits are same up, up, same up, up. 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can hear that. And we've just created the sevens times table. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. Now, that's the sevens, and we are going to actually create the 14s. By continuing the sevens, first of all, let's do the sevens down to 140. All right, so 7, repeat, stays the same, 70 plus 7 is 77, and then 741 goes down, so 8, and then 9, and then repeat the 9, goes up to 10, goes up to 11, repeat the 11, goes up to 12, goes up to 13, and goes up to 14, just like that. Now, let's actually just do the 14s there, because they're green just for different color. Every other 7 is going to be 14. So we're actually, again, we're creating our diamond pattern. It goes boom, 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 boom. There's our diamond pattern for 7s. This is the 14s here. And times 1 is 14, times 2 is 28, 14 times 3 is 42, 14 times 4 is 56, and 14 times 5 is 70. And 14 times 6 is 84, 14 times 7 is 98, 14 times 8 is 112, 14 times 9 is 126, and 14 times 10 is 140. And again, we have 7, 14, the first 2 sevens. So there's just lots and lots of patterns here for you to play with, and just continue to do them. So let's just circle these then. Same as these. Just do our diamonds. And of course, the 14s, 10 14s is 140. That totally should make sense to you. Use your sheet like this and just keep creating. The 1s, the 2s, the 3s. We actually can do the 4s, the 5s, the 6s, the 7s. We could do the 8s, the 9s, the 12s, and the 14s. And we could actually do the 10s if we wanted to. So you do almost all the numbers on TicTacToe squares, and it's a lot of fun. I want to create the 3s and 7s in a different way, because I want you to have multiple ways to do it. Do 3, it starts with 3, and then actually just do 3, 2, 1 on the first column there. 3, 2, 1. Now, 3, 6, 9, and then 2, 5, 8, and then 1, add 3, 4, 7, and there's our 0. Now, you can actually look at this again and see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but sometimes you want to start it from the beginning rather than down here. So this way you can just do 3, dot, dot, 2, dot, dot, 1, dot, dot. And that creates the 3s. So you can do it that way. And then, of course, you just do 0, 0, 0, 1. I'll use reds here. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and 3. Great. Now, let's do the 7s over on this one. Okay? So now we're going to start with 7 here. We know that because that's our first number. So this was counting down 3, 2, 1. So this way we're going to count down, we're going to count up 7, 8, 9 for the 7s. Now, instead of plus 3 over here, we're going to do minus 3. Could that work? Yes, it could work. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Just subtracting 3's. 8 minus 3 is 5. By the way, 5 is always in the middle and all these. And 5 minus 3 is 2. And then 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 3 minus 3 is 0. And we just created this way doing the ones digits for the sevens. So if you just want to do, start from the beginning, you can start from the actual start. And then, of course, you just do your 0, go up, up. So 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you just created the sevens times table. And you can do that in just a couple seconds. So feel free to just play with anytime you have. It takes about 20 seconds to write out the ones digits and then the tens digits to do it. And after a while, then just say the numbers afterwards. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. We have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70 for the sevens. That easy and quickly. You can do them. Now, let's do the nines. Nines. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0 on the side. It doesn't make any difference where 0 is. It's just the one after the 9. And if you see this down, oh, you can't even see that. There it is, nines. It's upside down. So you turn the whole thing upside down. Oh, and then just put those numbers in over here. Let's use our green because that's the ones digits. So we do 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 9, 8, 7. This looks like a 6, but you know it's upside down, so it's a 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there's 0 right there. And of course, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can do it that way too. Then the tens digits is really easy. You start here with 0, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And you've just done the tens digits of the nines. You've created 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Again, do that a couple times every day, and pretty soon, and say them out loud, and pretty soon you'll know your nines really well, and you won't even need the tic-tac-toe squares after a while. Last thing I want to show you is just kind of a couple ways to play, because the more ways that you play, first of all, 5 is a gift in the middle in all of them. I'm actually going to start all the way down in the bottom with the 5s, because the 5s are just 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. 5 is in the middle, starts with 5, ends with 5. Okay? And to create those, let's use our tens here. We would just do 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. The way to start these is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is actually our nines. 9, 8, 7. Of course, then it's just going to be 6, 5, 4. Just like see the pattern and finish the pattern. Create it. And then 0. And then with our tens digits, we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we just created our nines times table. The last one I want to show you here is the 7, 8, 9s like this. So you just really see this. So we're just going 7s going across, minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4, minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 3 is 5, minus 3 is 2. 9, minus 3 is 6, minus 3 is 3, minus 3 is 0. And that is our setup for our 1s digits for our 7s. And so then we just do 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. We read the 4, 5, 6, and 7. I really want you to have fun playing with all of them. There's the 7s all put together down here. That one's with you, so know you have that as well. And enjoy, play on a tic-tac-toe square, and learn your times tables as well. This includes the 1s, the 2s, the 3s, the 4s, the 5s, the 6s, the 7s, the 8s, the 9s, the 10s, the 12s, and the 14s. Everything you want. And you can do it on number wheels as well. But tic-tac-toe squares are perfect for some kids, and it's good to do multiple different ways to play. I am going to quit. There's just so much there. We can continue playing with it, but we're going to quit for today. And I'm going to just open it up for any comments.
Sir, it's such a fun way to know that the nines table is so easy, and we have patterns in each and every table. I never knew using tic-tac-toe we can do so many things.
All right.
How many more of these sessions are you going to do?
You know, until I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying doing them. I'm going to do them at least for another month.
Okay, good.
Because to me, really, I want kids to get this. It's a time when kids are struggling, you know, because they can't go to school, you know. So
Right.
I really get it out as much as possible. And videos, I now have 5 hour classes that are now on YouTube.
Okay.
Links to those. I will send out links to those.
Yeah, if you will in the emails.
I will do that.
Thanks so much for showing up. I appreciate you being here. Hope you learned a lot, and we'll see you next time. Bye from Mr. Numbers.